Welcome to the Business Safari. I'm Bella, and today we're diving into the river of finance to explore cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. It's all about the movement of money in and out of your company. Think of cash flow like this. Money coming in is positive cash flow, and money going out is negative cash flow. Let's break this down with a simple example. Imagine you run a lemonade stand. You buy lemons, sugar, and cups. That's cash going out. Then you sell lemonade. That's cash coming in. Good cash flow management means having enough cash to pay your bills, investing in growth opportunities, and avoiding cash shortages. Now, businesses use something called a cash flow statement to track all this. This statement shows cash movements over a specific period. It's split into three main sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. We'll dive deeper into these in a future video. Remember, profit doesn't always equal good cash flow. You might be profitable on paper, but still run out of cash if customers are slow to pay, you have large upfront expenses, and you're growing too quickly. That's why the saying goes, cash is king. A business can survive for a while without profit, but it can't survive without cash. Understanding and managing your cash flow is crucial for any business, whether you're running a lemonade stand or a large corporation. Let's summarize what we've learned about cash flow. It's the movement of money in and out of a business. Positive cash flow is money coming in, and negative cash flow is money going out. Cash flow statements help track these movements. Good cash flow management is crucial for business survival, and profit doesn't always equal good cash flow. And that wraps up today's Business Safari on the basics of cash flow. I'm Bella, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business videos.